when the home menu view is rendered, first the onMount method is called. If you recall abstract view, we have onMount and the render. Those sequences are there, and the router, when it's time to navigate to another page, that loading the page, first thing is it calls onMount, and then it renders. The purpose of onMount is when the view is rendered the first time, it may need to load the data from backend. So that's the place where we need to read all messages from backend Firestore. So let's use the function we have defined to read all the messages. So try and catch. There. So what we try is in the controller we have a model. In the model we have a message list there, and then we are going to call generated code is not correct. What we need to call is get message list function. We call this get message list is what we have just defined in Firestore controller. Let's see, get message list is automatically imported. If you don't see this line, just manually type that to edit that. So as you read an array of messages, you just update to the model. Here, home model, we have a message list is there. If everything is okay, it's good. Otherwise, there's an error. Since this is a time-consuming process, so let's start spinner. At this moment, when done, we can stop spinner. If error occurs, we should stop spinner as well. When error occurs, let's give the message list as a null. So for this part, let's assign null value indicating error has occurred. Otherwise, then also in addition, we just give the visual message to the user as well. Then when everything is done for testing purpose, let's print the message here, console.log. What we want to display is message list. Let's display that. That is in the model. Let's see. Oh, start and stop spinner. Start the spinner is automatically imported as always. I find that stop spinner is not automatically imported, so we need to edit that. Let's see how this works. So go shift reload. Here is permission problem. So there's an error, Firebase, the missing insufficient permissions. In the Firestore security rules, we have not given those correct permissions yet. So let's fix that in the next video.